right, guys, welcome back to another video. Matt Malone here. Before this video starts, I just want to thank you to all the supporters and new subscribers that I've been getting. A lot of you have been here since day one. And if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button right now. We're trying to get to 2K subscribers by the end of the year. But before this video starts, last video we talked about getting some space to work on the cars. We finally found some room, but we just kind of gotta clean this up a little bit. I talked to my girlfriend's dad and I explained the situation about me having my cars just sitting outside and me having no room to like work on the cars, my room being a storage basically. Guys, I must say, what a nice guy. He's letting me use his garage. He doesn't park his cars in here. We just gotta clear out all this stuff. A lot of stuff has been cleared out already. We just gotta reorganize this so I can fit the G35 in here and get to work. But yeah, that's enough updates. On with the video. Right, guys, so we're at IAS Drift. And no way I'm early enough to get my spot under the tree. Guys, please give me the 100K so I can live like this. We got here right before the traffic jam. I got too excited. That was beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god. Got my coach here.
So right here, like in this middle section right here where that Z is, it's like a little, on the right side, it's like a little step out of the track. You need to be there and transition there so it'll bring you around the corner, but you transition early so you're going into the corner like perpendicular.
But fuck, that was dope. That fucking excited, bro. All I did was go wider at first.
Yeah, it sets you up for the next turn, so your transition isn't like super snappy and make you want to spin out.
That was good. That was badass, dude. That was fucking good. Fuck yeah, you licked that shit flawless, man. Hey guys, so as you saw, the G35 survived another drift day. The wheels took a little bit of a beating because I listened to Coach Ty again, and it didn't go so well. The inside of this one maybe, or I think it was the other one, may have gotten bent as well. But the car did good. The car survived. Nothing broke.
You sure about that? You sure about that?
Tires are pretty good. It'll probably do for another drift day. Got Mr. Ty here with this 1J IS300. Track is just about closing up right now. Got the nice Supra here. This thing is clean, man. That's an angle kit or?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Like the big one, like 90 degrees? That's dope. Sick. So out of nowhere, big Ken's here at the tire shop. It's helping me balance the wheel after they fixed it. How bad is it?
Bad.
I'm eventually gonna put these in the back though. This is my second one I broke.
The second one you broke?
Yeah, the other one broke from the outside. This one was bad though. If I die, I'm blaming it on you. That's how it looks. That's the fix right there. It was all broken. I just don't think you're doing it right.
I'm doing it right. This bitch is bad. What the fuck did you hit?
I went off the track and I dipped the wheel and came back on and like it hit the inside like on the concrete in the corner. So like I went off with one wheel and it just smacked there on the inside. I'm like, yep, that shit's broken. Funny thing is, I didn't even like check it at the track. I just kind of kept going and then I drove home. And when I got home, I kept hearing SpongeBob's shoes squeaking, and it was the tire being all deformed because of the bend or the brake. It was going. No, I'm good with this one. I'll just put them in the back. I never balanced the back anyways, but I need this for the front.
Bad, bro.
What?
I'm gonna just take them all off. Say, that's how we do it out here.
No, you're lying, man. Damn it. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to run these on the back, but I think that's good because like the 245s in the back, they still rub even after the fender roll. So I think this should be all right. I'm just pissed, dude. Fuck. Another broken wheel. Well, my last one wasn't that bad. This one's pretty bad. Oh my god. Damn it.